Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very, very impressive bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price started off the day down around that area and then was able to close all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a very nice move. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 995. Why is that level important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then works its way to the downside. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was in this range right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, but in this situation, works its way upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress, again, being defined as 995. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level to watch, you're going to be right up there, that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. Keyword being, or, the key mark, I should say, being the 1040 mark, because that's its current value of it. But that is the, like I said, 200 period moving average, and one of those levels that a lot of people are using and watching. In fact, even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is below it, it tends to act as resistance. But anyway, look at it. Monster movement today. Very, very impressive bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.